So let's go ahead and unbox the Reolink Video Doorbell, as well as the optional chime and 256 gig memory card. Now starting off here first with the Video Doorbell, we can go ahead and take out the packaging. We've got some paperwork in here. And as far as paperwork, we've got things like the user manual, as well as the template to help us get this installed onto our wall, and it's got the points here where we can install the different screws. Now the main thing that I want to check out though, of course, is going to be the new Video Doorbell itself. And it looks like in the box it comes with some nice protective packaging. And we'll go ahead and peel it off, and then also take off the lens cover. And here is a look at the new doorbell. The main reason that I wanted to get this one is it has better vertical coverage, so when I have it installed on the wall, I can do a better job of seeing down to see if there's like any packages and stuff left, compared to some of the other doorbells. We've got the button here on the bottom to actually ring the doorbell, and then on the back, we've got the power connectors right up there. And lifting up this panel here on the back, we've got a USB Type-C slot, as well as a slot here for the microSD card. And then closing that up, if we look a little more closely, there's actually a power button right here on the back of the doorbell too. Now, continuing on with the unboxing, we've got another box here, which is probably going to be all the wiring and stuff. And sure enough, we've got a number of different wires, as well as the mount here, so that we can get this hooked up here to the wall. So we've got the removable plate here for it to attach to, and they also ship it, I like to see this, with the angled bracket like this. So if you'd like the doorbell not straight on the wall, but kind of angled a little bit, like down towards the front of your house or something, I like the fact that they actually include this bracket here without you needing to buy it separately. Now, as far as wiring, the first set here is going to be a pair of these short wires with the little hooks on the end so that you can hook it up to the back of the doorbell, as well as a similar connector in the wall. Similarly, if you've got just plain wire back there, they also give you connectors for that. So this little hook side is going to connect to the back of the doorbell, and then the other side is just a plain wire that you can twist with these little nuts here and connect to your existing wiring. It also ships with a USB cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. And then lastly, they've also got some screws and wall anchors here to help you with the actual install. And first impressions, this doorbell is a little bit heavier than I was expecting. It's not really going to matter, of course, once you get it installed, but I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of a softer feel. Definitely clicks, but not super clicky. But feels like it should do a good job here for being the doorbell. Next, taking a look at the Reolink chime, let's go ahead and unbox this. And this looks pretty straightforward here. We've got, two-prong connector here on this side, the speaker right down there. We've got our different buttons here to control the tones and sound and stuff. And then we've got the main face that you'll be seeing when it's plugged into the wall right here. Other than that, there's just a little bit of paperwork, including the manual here for the chime.